do I need a video production company or a creative agency? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what is the best option for you as a person who would like to run an ad on social media, all of social media. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pius Jagina. So what is a video production company? A video production company is the company that has equipment like camera, lighting, and all employees who have amazing skills and talent to create videos for a client. And what is a creative production company or a creative agency? A creative agency is the company that has people who are skilled in drawing a concept or proposals for a video that is going to be run as an ad. And they also have multiple skills in creating a campaign that will run for your product or will run on social media for a long period of time. So there are so many people out there who don't know the difference between hiring a video production company and hiring a creative agency for themselves. So they find themselves confused or even in the middle of options, and they end up hiring a wrong option or going for a wrong option instead of getting the right option. So what is the right option for you? First and foremost, let me make you understand the difference between a video production company and a creative agency. What you need to know about the video production company is they specialize in creating videos for their clients, meaning that these video companies, you will go to them and they will create a video for you if you are a client to them, because they have the lighting, they have the equipment, they have all the gadgets that you need to create a perfect video. Secondly, if you go to a video production company, you will find there are people who have the skills to create scripts. You'll find there are people who have skills to do voiceovers. You'll find people with skills of editing, meaning that a video production company has all these amazing skills that will finally deliver a complete video for you as a client. Now, let us talk about a creative agency. What a creative agency does, they always come up with a creative and innovative idea and campaign that will help the client market their product, meaning that they have the knowledge on how to post your content on social media. They have the strategy on how they are going to sell or to push your product to the people who are going to be viewing your products on social media or even off social media, meaning that they also have connections to people who create videos as long as you have the budget for that. So in one way or the other, if you go to a video production company and all you want are videos, it is going to be cheaper for you. But if you need to sell your products to a certain audience and you don't know which strategy you need to follow, or even you don't know the right people in the industry that can create an amazing video for you, that is where you need to run to a creative agency, because a creative agency always has connections with different production companies that are willing to create videos for their clients. But also on the other hand, away from just focusing on social media, a creative agency also has knowledge on how to push your product on different media platforms. That is social media, that is TV, that is radio, and that is even if it is in posters, they will have the connection and knowledge on how that can be done. So if you're a person who is starting out in the business and you would like to market your new product, I believe you know which option among the two that will work for you, because at the end of the day, it all depends on the results you would like to achieve. All in all, if you would like to create a video for your social media or for just posting or for your event, a video production company is the best option for you. But if you'd like to push your hard on different social media platforms or on different media platforms, that is TV, radio, social media, and posters, I believe a creative agency is better or is the best option for you, because at the end of the day, these people will even create a strategy for you. But you need to also understand that that will come with extra cash. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because I upload videos every single week, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.